Good evening, Southeast Texas. I'm Lauren Hensley. Kelsey Johnson has the evening off. Let's get to the number of coronavirus cases. In Texas, the state's number of new cases dropping, a total of 8,196 new cases statewide. Hospitalizations, though, continue to remain record high. This is the 14th consecutive day hospitalizations have set a record. 10,410 COVID-19 patients fighting for their lives in Texas hospitals. In the Golden Triangle, hospital numbers remaining steady. 121 patients are in general hospital beds. That's down 2 from yesterday. And 46 in the ICU. That's up just 1. Here's a look at the 14-day average for Southeast Texas after new cases have been reported this Sunday. Jefferson County adds 16, Tyler 1, Liberty 14 for a total of 31 new cases. We're still waiting for numbers from the Beaumont area. And in Florida, a record-breaking day, the Sunshine State shattering daily records with 15,300 new COVID cases. This is the highest single-day total of any U.S. state since the pandemic hit the nation, including beating New York City at the peak of its outbreak. Now, in reaction to these surging COVID new cases, federal health experts again urging Americans to wear a mask. But is it enough? Jennifer Johnson tells us what the experts say.
The U.S. has set a single-day record for new COVID-19 cases 7 of the last 12 days, and the death toll continues to rise. But federal health officials say the trend can be reversed.
We can turn this thing around in 2 to 3 weeks if we can get a critical mass of people wearing face coverings.
President Trump wore a mask for the first time in public during a visit to Walter Reed Military Medical Center late Saturday, after months of backlash for not wearing one. The president and his team are now pushing children to put on masks and get back to school in just a few weeks.
There is nothing in the data that would suggest that kids being back in school is dangerous to them, and in fact, it's more a matter of their health and well-being that they be back in school.
But COVID-19 cases have rapidly spread in Texas daycare centers and some summer camps.
We also want to do it and make sure that our kids are going to be as safe as possible. So we're not going to be rushed into this.
School districts and hotspots are scrambling to come up with plans, some considering hybrid learning, remotely and in the classroom.
We're going to obviously do our very best in our community, considering where the health data currently is. A positivity rate of 29.1%. A month ago, it was at 6%.
Many in education feel reopening schools is a balance between a child's mental and physical health. School leaders now need to find the safest path in this new chapter of learning.
Many schools in Southeast Texas plan to release their reopening plans this week. 12 News will keep you posted. Rural counties in Southeast Texas are ramping up its response to the coronavirus. According to Jasper County Judge Mark Allen, testing numbers has significantly increased. He says in the last round of testing, 250 people showed up in Jasper, 257 in Kirbyville, and another 257 in Buna. Next week, Judge Allen says emergency operations plan to beef up contact tracing in 4 counties, including Jasper, Newton, Tyler, and Sabine County.